Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be fixing this IVECO. It's quite a nice looking truck actually, and I spoke to the driver, he loved it. So and this is obviously the new truck which come out probably this year or last year, and we never done one before, so there's a big challenge, but it's only damage down the front corner here. We already got some bits because this lorry have to go out today, so we only have to fix it in the day. So stay tuned if you want to see how we did it. Okay guys, got that panel stripped, the bumper corner, small damage under there, all this headlight carrier, it's all broke, so we need to take that off, take the headlight off. And this was actually pretty easy, couple of screws down there, some of them still broke off here, and two screws underneath there, one screw in the corner here, and that panel pops off easy. So it's quite similar design to the other trucks, like the step here, folded step, like Scania kind of style. That's a new one, the design from IVECO. So let's get that panel off and headlight. Right guys, we're trying to take this bumper corner off, but it's nightmare. Similar kind of style to the Merc. Everything that middle section is bolted from behind to that section there. So it's like a Merc style, you have to take the whole lot at once. So let's take it off. Right guys, all this bumper is assembled. It's actually not too bad. It's just a bit obviously like a merc kind of style. You have to take this middle section out to take this one out, which is not too bad to be honest, but you can take a whole lot as it is, which is, well, quite good design, but not so great if you just want to change the one panel or something like that. So let's have this thing on. Right guys, the bumper is on. It's not too bad actually. You can easily take the bumper off by taking them 3 bolts out there. There's a 3 8mm bolts in there. Obviously wiring harness there. Undo it from that bulkhead here. It's not a big deal. 2 bolts there. The same the other side. It's actually Andy Signs is here, and he's actually laughing at me because I'm talking to myself, and he's actually putting the sticker on that van what we just did. And I'm just more, well, it's just more than me talking to myself, I would say. So let's get this finished, let's get it down the road. Okay, the lorry is all done. Mark has already been to check the progress on it. It's actually neighbor to us. His yard is just about over there. You can see his workshop, the green roof there. That's his yard over there. So we look after his lorries. He look after us as well. And well, fixing the day basically. So that's what he wanted. We cut the bits earlier, a few weeks ago, painted them. And book his lorry in, had it done in a day because he's desperate for it. Thank you for watching guys, I'll see you next week.